प्यार ही नहीं करते। सब्जियां भी काट रही हूँ, बाहर खाना भी दे रही हूँ, पता नहीं भाई। My mom doesn't know I cleaned my room. Let's see her reaction. Recently, my life has been all about work, posting, and nothing about my physical self, my personal mental health. All of that has just not been in the picture, which is not very healthy, obviously. So, I'm shooting this vlog so that I can focus a little more on myself and at least try to feel a little better, a little happier. So yeah, I have a couple of things that I wanna do for this night routine, which I was very excited for. So I was just shooting a vlog today, and in that vlog I basically ended that vlog saying that I'm going to start shooting this vlog, and I am in such a good mood today. I am just so happy. I have done a lot of work. I've posted a reel when I didn't even have anything to post. I shot a whole YouTube vlog. I also texted my manager about some work which I really needed to get out of the way, and I also did my skincare, and I have a lot of more things planned that I want to do today. So we are gonna do all of that. Since I've gotten this camera, I am so at ease because pehle everything used to be on my phone, so I had to pause the video, I had to open my phone, and then I have to start seeing ki kya hai, what do I have to do next, and it was so difficult because I had to screen record everything. Now I can just turn my phone, show it to the camera, and it's right there, and I love that. So I think I've spoken about Notion on my page before. It's not like promoted. What the hell? Notion is amazing, guys. Like, I'm telling you, you all need to try it at least once. Okay, so I need to make a to-do list. First, I need to work out. It could be anything. It could be as small as taking a walk downstairs. It could be that small, but I need to do something. I need to move my body. Next would be skincare, which I haven't done in a very long time. Face mask or something. भाई सबका फोन नेटवर्क कवरेज क्षेत्र से बाहर क्यों आ रहा है? I'm actually all alone at home, and imagine this is what I'm doing. Do you see how bad my life is? Like sad it is. Like literally no one I have. I'm chilling with my laptop and I'm calling my family to ask them where they are, bro. This is just फोन भी नहीं उठा रहा भाई. मेरे घर वाले मुझसे प्यार ही नहीं करते. ये क्या है यार? हेलो दादी, आप वापस कब तक आ रहे हो? आप वापस कब तक आ रहे हो? हाँ. So my daddy is gonna come in like half an hour-ish. We are gonna order some face masks because we don't have anything. Dad usually keeps them at home, but like, bro, what is up with this hydrogel sheet mask, collagen, whatever it's called, the one that goes white on your face, like पूरा ऐसा ये हो जाता है, transparent हो जाता है. What is up with that? Is it genuinely good? Like, if you guys have used it, please comment and let me know. What do you say?
जाओ वॉक करो. चलो 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 चलो. गाड़ी देख के हमारे पास नहीं आना है.
गाड़ी की चाबी दे तो मैं जाती हूँ.
कहाँ जाते हैं?
घूमने.
ओ ये लो. ये चाबी देना जरा इसको गाड़ी.
This is very unfair. I'm not approving of this.
Because she won't go alone. I know her.
I have not learned उतना कि I can go alone. That is the
चाबी दूँ?
मैं जा सकती हूँ. उस दिन गई थी वैसे तो. चलो ना साथ में. नहीं. चलो ना. चलो ना. I just got back now. Wait. Hi guys. I just got back. I think I had like a 40-minute walk prox. I went at 7:50. I came back at 8:30. So I think that's 40 minutes. I am not the kind of person who will not sit on their bed जब वो बाहर के कपड़ों से आए हैं. And you know, कोई भी जैसे इवेंट एंड ऑल से भी जब तुम आते हो, बहुत लड़कियां ऐसी होती हैं, बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं, नॉट जस्ट गर्ल्स एक्चुअली. बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बेड पे बैठेंगे ही नहीं, जस्ट बिकॉज दे फील लाइक बाहर के कपड़े हैं, ग्रोस है. सो आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. बट इतने पसीने में हूँ ना अभी कि मुझे जेन्युइनली लगता है कि अगर मैंने इस बेड पे बैठने की मेहनत की तो इस बेड पे पसीना आ जाए, इतने पसीने में आई डोंट नो, ये इज जस्ट लाइक थोड़ा सा लाइक आई फील वे मोर ग्रोस देन आई लुक. So I have to shower. Whole sports bra is literally soaking wet. Actually पता है मेरे को इतना पसीना आता नहीं, but गर्मी का season है. That is definitely not helping. I need to figure out what to wear. I want to wear something comfy. I feel like I want to wear these. I wore this in the morning for a bit, but I did not wear it बहुत देर, so I think I can repeat it. Maybe this. Yeah, I like this. But before I change into anything, I have to shower. I already showered at like 8 or 9 in the morning today, but can't, like, I'm actually touching myself and I feel like, ugh, like I don't even feel like touching this. It's that bad. Okay, I'll see you after the shower. I just got out of the shower. I feel so much cleaner, so much better. Parcel just came when I was in the shower, so mom collected it. And ow. I've just ordered like 2-3 things I needed. 2 of them being face masks. Just random face masks that I found. Actually मुझे ये 2 मंगाने थे, but वो 2 थे नहीं. And tampons basically. Now I have to do my skincare, clean my bed. Let me see और क्या है आज के मेरे agenda पे. So I finished my workout. I completed I think 4,000 something steps, which is actually good. 4,500 steps, which is basic, which is good. इतना movement तो दिन में होना ही चाहिए. Actually तो 10,000 होना चाहिए, but मैं 10,000 कर नहीं पाया. I should have walked more in the morning. I could have done 4,000 in the morning, 4,000 in the evening, and 2,000 घर में ही चलते चलते. Workout is done. I have to clean my room, do skincare, and read. I read like 100 pages today, but I was planning on reading right now. But the state of my room is so bad that I cannot even sit in it. Like I showed you, like this is literally the state of my room. My bed is a total mess. My study table is a mess. There is clothes literally everywhere, even on the ground. So we need to clear this up so that I have a more cleaner space and I can actually do my skincare in that space, because इस space में skincare करने का मतलब नहीं है honestly. ये औरत रोज मेरे घर आ जाती है बिना परमिशन के. ये देखो, ये देख रहे हो, ये
I look shit.
ये देखो जरा, इस औरत को देखो. She has no sense of shame. Zero.
मेरा ही तो घर है भाई. What shame?
Zero sense of shame. कुछ यहाँ पे आती है, लेट जाएगी, खाना खाती
Laptop भी
है,
मेरा है,
पूरा
ये
टाइम सब यूज करती
This is
है.
mine,
ये
this
भी
is
इसके वजह से यहाँ पड़ा है. मैं ये लाई भी नहीं.
Everything. मेरा टी-शर्ट कहाँ गया? वो स्ट्राइप्स वाला?
इसके नीचे वहाँ पे.
ये?
नहीं, नीचे पूरा.
ये रहा. ये भी मैं नहीं पहना था, मेरा ही है.
कोई शर्म नहीं, कोई लिहाज नहीं, कुछ नहीं. बस रोज आ जाती है कोई काम के बिना, शक्ल दिखाएगी.
Why are you exposing me?
This is my second vlog of the day.
First में भी थी.
आप देख रहे हो ये दिन में कितनी बार मेरे घर आती है. ठीक है, अभी बस 5 महीने ही है इधर. इसको रुलाने का बहुत इजी तरीका है मेरे पास.
No, don't do that. Don't start
5
with
महीने
that.
ही है इधर. उसके बाद यूके चली जाएगी, ना मेरी शक्ल देखेगी, ना मिलने आएगी. नहीं सुनना.
No. जान.
तुम ओके, नॉट अ वेरी हगी पर्सन.
दूर क्या होता है? दूर. Wait, I feel short. I feel short.
ये हो. इसको खोल, ट्राइपॉड को.
नहीं गिरेगा. गिरा मत.
कोई शर्म नहीं.
I'm gonna miss this the most.
ऐसा गिराऊंगी ना, उठेगी नहीं वापस, ऐसा पीछे कर दूंगी. ये
चलो थोड़ा घूमो अभी.
अबे घूमो क्या, उतरो. अबे नौकरी तेरी, घूमो.
गिरा दिया. कितना रिकॉर्ड करते हो पूरा दिन?
काम है मेरा.
ये लोग को सच पता पड़ जाएगा ना कि गौरी ने मुझे अडॉप्ट किया हुआ है.
हाँ भाई, कल अडॉप्शन पेपर सब साइन हो रहे हैं।
हो गए हैं
हो गए हैं, सॉरी मेरे को पता ही नहीं है। तो ये मेरे को आज सुबह बाय बोल के गई। मैं सो गई, सोने वाली थी, और मेरी माँ को मैं चिल्ला रही, मम्मी आओ मम्मी आओ, मम्मी आई नहीं रही। मैं सोचा चल क्या रहा है ये। 2 मिनट बाद आवाज आती है, द्विति बैठी है मेरे साथ। आमले ये तो अभी बाय बोल के गई है मुझे कि ये घर जा रही है, कि ये क्या चल रहा है।
देख, सबको टाइम देना होता है,
दोस्तों में, मेरे खानदान में नहीं।
अरे बट यू अडॉप्टेड मी, सो योर फैमिली इज माय फैमिली, नो?
तेरी फैमिली को ये बात बताना जरा। यूके जा रही है बहन 5 महीने में,
लाइक स्टॉप।
एंड मुझे छोड़ के जा रही है।
तू इधर है।
अच्छा, मुझे लगा इधर है, मैंने बोला यहाँ कहाँ पहुंच गई मैं।
नाचेगी किसके साथ? कौन सुबह उठाएगा तुझे?
अभी कौन सा उठाने आती है।
कॉलेज बंद है ना मेरा, गाइस।
सबको बताओ, सबको बताती हूँ, मजा आएगा। बोल देते
जब से मैं डीबार हो गई हूँ ना।
डीबार हो गई बहन। अभी उसके आगे तुम क्या ही बोल सकते हो इसको।
कुछ भी नहीं।
डीबार
मुझे कोई कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकता है। मैं ऐसा कुछ कर ही नहीं रही हूँ, कोई मुझे कुछ बोले। इधर बैठी रहती हूँ ना।
3 घंटे इस औरत की वजह से आज मैंने वेस्ट किए सिर्फ गेम्स में।
She is clearly lying. I was doing my job and उसके पास कुछ करने को नहीं था, उसने गेम शुरू कर दिया। उसके साथ साथ मैंने शुरू कर दिया उसके साथ खेलना। कितना झूठ बोल दिया भाई। देखो, थोड़ा शर्म, थोड़ी शर्म है, थोड़ी शर्म रख।
देखो ऐसे फेंको ना, वहां जाके गिरेगी।
नहीं, तू यहाँ से मेरे को फेंक दे। चल हम दोनों चलते हैं।
एक्चुअली बाय।
यार ये कोई बच्चा देख रहा होगा ना, वो भी कर देगा।
नहीं भाई, ये जोक है, इसको सीरियसली मत लेना प्लीज।
I like the top. I have the same one. We should twin.
इसमें I feel nice. This outfit I really like.
Even I like. It's
Right?
very comfy. तू मेरे शब्द क्यों चुराने लग गई
मैं
है?
तेरे शब्द नहीं चुरा रही, तू मेरे शब्द चुरा रही।
हाँ, मैं ज्यादा यहाँ रहती हूँ।
Exactly. मैं उधर आती तो मैं तेरे चुरा रही हूँ, तू इधर आती है तो तू मेरे चुरा रही है।
फुल महाराज। पूरी मैं महाराज बन गई थी। एक इधर वो कर रही हूँ, सब्जियां भी काट रही हूँ, बाहर खाना भी दे रही हूँ। पता नहीं भाई क्या हो क्या रहा था मेरे साथ, मुझे तो वो भी याद नहीं आ रहा अभी।
शेफ का हार्ट बना दे।
हाँ ना, सच्ची में होना चाहिए।
नहीं है बहन, नहीं है। Let's see her reaction. It's been a dump for like almost a week.
लगा दो चार्जिंग पे। Why are you shooting? क्या? Oh my God. ये मैं कहाँ आ गई? ये तो लग रही है गौरी करूँ। वो अच्छा, वो मेरी बात काम कर गई।
क्या?
That she's taking care of her laundry pile too.
See? Do you see how clean it is?
I can't believe it's so clean. Much better. Much better one than what it was in the morning.
She's so proud. She's like, finally I can live here.
Have you shown them what it was?
I have a video.
I'm sure everybody must be proud of you right now.
I literally, people are, like, I put it on my story, like I like a clean room, something like that, and somebody texted finally. And he texted,
I'm sure. Thank you. Can you please keep it like this always?
brother, I cleaned it last night, and you know what happened? I don't know how it became a dump the next day.
Because you don't take care of things when you remove them. If you're removing your clothes
Yeah,
at that
इस्त्री लेके क्यों
particular
चल रहे?
time, I just wanted to keep it on place because it's outside in the hall. So basically, because I have that thing. It's
And apparently मेरी कुंडली में लिखा है मेरे organizational skills बहुत अच्छे हैं.
oh God. पता नहीं कब अच्छे होंगे वो.
वो
ऐसे
नहीं.
थोड़ा असर दिख रहा है मुझे.
है, but वो आनी होती
2
है.
बार नहीं थी.
हाँ.
असर भी हो रहा है. और तू उसको क्या बोल रही है कि तू रोज मेरे घर आ जाती है?
हाँ.
तो
मुंह पे बोलती
तेरे
हूँ.
को क्या problem?
अरे अभी आई शाम में. यार लेटी हुई थी. पूरा रूम में से ऐसे उठी है. हाँ. भाई मैं अपने घर में ही रह रही हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है।
हाँ तो बोल रहे हैं।
ऐसे उठ के बाथरूम अपने आप बाहर चली गई। मैं पूछ रही हूँ कहाँ जा रही है, आ रही हूँ रुक, यहाँ गई कैबिनेट में कुछ खाने का ढूंढ।
तो ठीक है ना, गुड।
ऐसे रहती है जैसे उसी का घर हो, फैल के रहती है वो औरत, एकदम फैल के।
कितना ही फैलेगी वो, है कितनी सी आधी। शीज हाफ मी,
She's half me.
या शीज हाफ मी हाफ चिकन। वो कितना ही फैल लेगी बेचारी, क्या ही जगह ले लेगी वो।
चलो चलते हैं, रूम साफ हो गया, स्किन केयर वापस आके कर लूंगी। अभी चलो हम जा रहे हैं ड्राइव पे। Hi guys, I got back like an hour, not even an hour actually, 30 minutes ago. I still haven't done any of my skincare, but if I'm speaking honestly, I don't think I'm in the mood to do my skincare. I'm very tired, I'm very drained. I've been up since like 6 yeah. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा कर सकते हैं. I'm not washing my face because I've already washed my face like 3 times today, which is insane. I don't do that on a regular basis. What we can do, put a little bit of serum, my moisturizer, and yeah, that's it. I think that's good enough. Today's day has been very insane. Like at some point I was just like, bro, like end already. I woke up at 6 and then I took a nap and everything. I finished my reel, my workout. Like actually I took the day slow. The day was very long. Like I was just so tired by the end of it that I didn't know what to do with myself. The thing is, usually I have a lot to do. Like I have a lot on my plate. I have collabs. I have brands reaching out. I have to talk to my editor and back and forth with the editor and then back and forth with brands and then back and forth with managers. It's like a lot. Since like a new month has just started, it takes a little bit of time to get back into brand collabs. Plus the financial year has also just started. Also, oh yeah, I think tell you a little about this financial year thing, which I didn't really know about. So the financial year basically starts in April. April is very crucial. Start of the year, collabs could be good, normal. उसके बाद when in the end of the year उतने collabs नहीं आते. मतलब end of the year is very slow for collabs. Financial year has ended, everything is done for, and you know everything is wrapped. Basically no money transactions happen usually by the end of the year. So it's a lot. Like, and उसके साथ साथ when a new year starts, like 2025, it is so frustrating as a content creator because first of all, sometimes, now this happened with me this time, I don't really know if it happens very often or what it is, but like I'm not really entirely sure as to what happens with other creators, but with me March was insane. Like I did like 3 to 4 events and I did 3 brand deals, which is not very common if you're a content creator. I know 3 is a very small number, but trust me, brand deals are a little hard to come across, especially the ones that genuinely pay well and you know are good brands, you know. So I was very happy for the brand deals I did this month, like in the past month. I hope April is as good to me as March has been, considering March just ended. I am very excited for April because obviously it's my birthday month. Everyone knows why do I have an accent? Everyone knows I have this huge deal for birthdays. Like I love my birthday month so much. I do so much in my birthday month. I enjoy it to the fullest and it's just overall the best month because it's my birthday month. I do have a few plans. Last year I quit sugar before my birthday. I have already started that. I've not been having sugar. I also want to cut back on junk food a little because I know I've been having a little too much of that. Also, one more thing that I want to try, I was speaking to mom about this today, like when we went for a drive. The fact that we need to stop eating after 6 p.m. Now it's a very healthy habit. I had followed it for a bit, but unintentionally I used to go to my old society and I used to go by 6:30, so I used to eat before that, and then उसके बाद वहाँ पे हम कुछ खाते नहीं थे, हम बस घूमते थे, टाइम पास करते थे. सो जब तक मैं घर आती थी मैं इतनी टायर्ड हो जाती थी, मैं डायरेक्टली थोड़ा नेटफ्लिक्स देख के सो जाती थी. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई सॉ लाइक इंक्रीज इन गुड मूड, बॉडी वेट गोइंग डाउन अ बिट, and just overall my face was so much better. Everything was just so much better. And eating like at night is good kabhi kabhi, but on a regular basis I used to do it and it was not healthy. I think I'm done for this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching it. If you made it till here, I genuinely love you guys. Drop this emoji down in the comments and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.